In the ever-evolving world of finance, there are winners, and then there are those who take a gamble and face the consequences. Today, we're diving deep into a story that revolves around Tesla, one of the most talked about companies in recent times, and a fund that dared to bet against it. Curious about what happened? Stick around, and let's unravel this intriguing tale. Elon Musk, the charismatic CEO of Tesla, recently responded to the news of an upcoming closure of a fund that was, interestingly enough, short on TSLA. This fund wasn't just any fund, it was a vocal critic of Tesla bulls, including the likes of ARK Invest CIO Cathie Wood. But as fate would have it, this fund is now shutting its doors, and the reason? Significant losses. Earlier this week, the Board of Trustees of Tidal ETF Trust made an announcement that the Noble Absolute Return ETF, abbreviated as NOPE, would be ceasing its operations. Tidal's press release highlighted that liquidating and closing the fund was a decision made in the best interest of its shareholders. But what led to this decision? Elon Musk, never one to shy away from expressing his views, especially on his social media platform, which was formerly known as Twitter, made a rather cheeky observation. He noted that those who short TSLA stocks seem to have a penchant for punishment. And given the history, Musk's comments don't seem misplaced. Over the years, Tesla shorts have faced heavy losses, leading many to question the wisdom behind such decisions. But here's where it gets even more interesting. The NOPE fund, which was launched just a year ago, is now bowing out with less than $19 million in assets. And the decline? A staggering 68% since the beginning of 2023. While the fund showed some promise in its initial days, 2023 has been a brutal year for it. The bullish market, combined with the stellar performance of stocks like Tesla, has left the fund battered and bruised. George Noble, the fund's manager, had a strategy in place. He went long on oil and gas stocks with the Noble Absolute Return ETF. But he also shorted a few big names: Tesla, Coinbase, DraftKings, Roku, and even the ARK Innovation ETF managed by TSLA bull Cathie Wood. But with the S&P 500 soaring by more than 20% through July and stocks like TSLA making a strong recovery, it was almost inevitable that the Noble Absolute Return ETF would face heavy losses. Now, what does this mean for Tesla and its stock price? Historically, negative sentiment and shorting can exert downward pressure on a stock. With a significant short fund like NOPE closing its doors, it could lead to a reduced negative sentiment around Tesla. This, combined with Tesla's continued performance and growth, could very well drive the stock's value upwards. Investors and market watchers should be keenly observing the ripple effects of this development in the coming weeks. Now, let's shift gears and discuss the upcoming trading session surge signals for the stock on August 14, 2023. We have some key numbers to watch out for. On the upside, we're looking at $244.95, $247.26, and $250.72. On the downside, the numbers to keep an eye on are $239.18, $235.72, and $233.41. But what do these numbers signify? These surge signals are essentially price points that could confirm a directional move for the stock. If the stock approaches or breaches these levels, it could indicate a potential trend. For instance, if the stock price moves past $244.95 and heads towards $247.26, it could be a sign of a bullish trend. Conversely, if the stock drops below $239.18 and continues to decline towards $235.72, it might be an indication of a bearish trend. Investors should be vigilant and use these signals as a guide to anticipate potential market movements. And there you have it, folks. A whirlwind journey through the world of Tesla, stock markets, and the perils of betting against giants. If you found this video insightful, do us a favor and hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth analyses like this. And hey, we'd love to hear your thoughts on this entire situation. Do you think other funds will think twice before shorting Tesla? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time.